JR, Angela, if you want to maintain your relationship, hold on to that word trust. There is only one being who can be with you always, and that is God.
Angela, I'm so happy to be in your life. Sa tuwing nakikita ko ang iyong ngiti, reminds me of why I love you so much. At salamat, dumating na ang special na araw natin dalawa. I can't wait to marry you and for all of our adventures to begin. All my love, JR.
A moment of love, a dream, a lie, a kiss, a cry, our rights, our wrongs. A moment of love, a dream, a lie, a moment of love, a dream, a lie. Just stay there. Got me coming over. While the blood still young, so young it runs. Won't stop till it's over. Won't stop to surrender.
Ang pagmamahal po, hindi po ito obligasyon, kundi a privilege from God. Dahil unang-una po, it was God who loves us. The reason why we are created by God because of His love. So napakahalaga po at napaka-presyoso ang salitang pagmamahal o pag-ibig.
Angela Domingo, isuot mo ang sising na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ang Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
My heart beats fast, colors and promises. How do people rate? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? We're watching you stand alone. All of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000
Monchitore Jr.
years.
Isuot mo ang sising na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, at ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Sing it up.